Hey all everyone, welcome back to my channel. And winter is almost knocking on the door, so this week I'm going to show you a very funky nail art. So after denim nails, presenting to you woolen nails. Yes, I have used real wool for doing this nail art, and it's like a sweater for your nails, so it's gonna look so cool for winter. So let's see how we can do it, and trust me, it's super easy. So you will need a good base coat, some craft glue, different colors of wool of your choice, the more the better, and a scissor. So these are all the simple ingredients. So start by prepping your nails with a good amount of base coat, so that when you attach the wool and the glue, it won't affect your nails. So once the base coat is dry, start applying glue on your nails in the pattern you want to fix the wool. Then fix the wool on the glued portion and cut out the excess, and in this way fill the hole of your nail and let it dry. Once complete and dry, this is how the nail will look. Now choose any pattern you want for the rest of your nails. So on the ring finger, I want to attach a crocheted piece of wool. So I don't know if you can understand what I am doing over here, because it was a little tough recording on the camera with the camera positioning and all. I couldn't work quite comfortably. So yeah, please excuse me, and if you still can understand, then I'll be very happy. So once this is done, I will just attach it on my nail after applying the glue, and then cut off the excess. So these are my woolen nails. It was so funky, so fun, and extremely easy to do as well. And I'm sure your friends will get surprised if you're sporting these nails this winter. So do not forget to like and comment on this video how you felt about this. Do share this video positively and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, before you leave, I want to show you how to remove these nails, because glue acts like a peel-off base coat, as I have shown in one of my previous videos. So it's really super easy to take this off. You just have to tease it with a toothpick at the base of the nail and just pull it off, and then clean it with a nail polish remover, and your nails are good as new. So yeah, that's all for today. See you next week. Have a great week ahead, and bye bye.